water's not deep enough to swim here, but in case I roll on the rocks, this will kind of protect me like a motorcycle jacket. So hopefully I won't get any road rash, or in this case, water slide rash. If you have to make that kind of disclaimer before you do something, chances are it's not really a great idea. Not working! It's working!
Oh, Jesus!
Is this your first time in a unicorn?
Yeah, it's the first time. I'm taking this pineapple on a journey. Your glasses.
He's a good old mare, this one. Takes me to the end of the world.
Okay.
Alright, so what we want to do is we want to go over this lip here and drop. But what we don't want is, we don't want the unicorn to fall forward like that and then I fly over. So I think the solution to this is to have a little weight here on the back. Are you okay?
I'm good!
As always, I put a link to more information and a detailed map in the description below. There are many more water slides in Taiwan. Just click the water slide icon to filter by water slide.